3, 2, 1. What's going on, guys? It's your boy J-Mac coming back with a video for you guys, man. Today we're out here on the boat again, and if you guys can see right over there, that's where we were camping. So ain't that amazing?
On location, Westport,
on location,
California.
baby. You already know what it is, Westport, baby. Out here on the ocean this time. Mama Mac, my Uncle Gabe, let's go, baby. Cousin Andre, you already know Captain Craig in the building, baby. You already know what it is, man. We out here trying to get some fish, baby. So catch y'all in a second. I'm wondering shit.
I don't know.
Oh yeah, got a lead. Ah! Jumped off!
Ah!
Only about that big.
Ah!
Damn, for real.
Oh,
See that?
It was
I did.
That was my lead.
Yeah.
Ah!
That's so sad.
It's horrible. Did you see him?
Yeah, I did. As soon as he saw me, he was like, holy crap. Yeah. I know him.
Oh, got it.
Got something, huh?
Yep. Right off of the dip. Right when I dropped.
Got your camera on?
Yeah, I think so. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay. What do we got, baby? Okay. Shit, I fucking...
Oh, you got it. Dang.
Damn, son.
Yeah.
Look, he's all wrapped up in you, too.
Yeah.
Come on, Andre. Stop that shit. I told you already. Alright. Damn it. Son of a...
That thing is fun.
Whoa, easy. Damn, what the fuck? It's like a credit card. The hell's going on down there?
I feel like I got something there. It doesn't feel like a fish.
Es nada, mijo.
Yeah.
It's okay, try again. Dun 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 dun. Modelo.
There we go.
Let's go, Andre. Let's get it, baby. You got this, baby. Oh yeah, look at that, a Vermilion, baby. Let's go, dude. Oh my God.
Right, there you go.
What? Yo, let's go, dude.
Fish of the day.
Oh my God, dude. Hey, congratulations.
That's a big one.
Vermilion.
Bro.
That's a beauty.
Beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Oh, shit.
Bro, let's go.
That's a big one.
That's probably the sucker that I had.
Come on, Craig.
Your pole's pretty stiff anyway, so.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Have a night.
Hey, another Vermilion, let's go.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
That camera's on, right?
Oh yeah, it's on.
Good job. I pulled on the net for you.
Look at that bad man majama,
Oh,
baby.
hells to the
Let's go.
Yeah.
Ooh, there's one.
Yeah.
Yep,
Got one?
finally.
We're on some fish.
Come on, baby, what is it?
They were just having lunch break. They're back in business now.
I keep getting the same motherfuckers, bro.
Yeah, that's all right.
Damn.
You can't be complaining when you're hauling in fish.
That's very true. That's very true.
Nice.
Yeah. It's a little guy,
Yeah,
but
keep his ass.
fish taco.
That's right. There you go.
Thank you. Appreciate it. You good, bro? Bro, you got 2 hooks on me right now, bro. On my back.
2 of them. Oh, you already had one on though, huh?
Yeah.
Canary.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Got one.
Get it, Craig. Let's go, baby.
Ready for the afternoon bite, fellas and ladies.
Can't wait for it.
Oh, it's here.
There you go.
Yeah. Not to be outdone by my wife.
Oh shit. Yeah, right.
I'll take it.
Hell yeah.
You dare jump out.
He tried to.
I know.
Like, let me go, motherfucker. Here, show me. Look.
Huh?
Hell yeah.
Kawasaki?
Yeah. Very nice.
Got one?
Hell yeah. There you go.
All right.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, amen. Thank you. Fire? Oh, you got it?
You got one? Hold
Hell
on.
yeah.
All right, bring it in. Get
Let's
it
go,
in.
baby.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Sweet.
Good, yes.
Same thing.
Yeah. I don't know what they are. Cheap
This
ass.
one's a thicker one though.
Yeah, it's a good one.
I just caught one of those too. I don't know what they are.
It has a crab.
Exactly, that's what they are.
Has a crab in its mouth.
Oh, really?
Wow.
Wow.
Little baby crab.
Yeah.
What the hell is all that other shit? Woohoo!
Huh?
Just like that.
Just like that.
First drop.
I like that.
Wait, you cooked one already?
Yes,
Yeah.
it is.
Nice.
Kawasaki. 2 down, 2 coming up.
Hell yeah. This one's kind of deep too.
That's really deep here.
Yes, it is.
I went down for a ways.
Another one bites the dust.
shrimp fly, huh?
Yep. Hell yeah. Sheesh. Oh, shit.
Woo! Almost here beating it. Damn it.
Oh yeah.
This is the spot, son.
Oh man, dang. Oh, freaking got off. Oh, no way. Must have him barely hooked.
Damn it. Come on, Craig.
Yeah. Hook him better than that.
Try again. Oh my gosh. We're fancy, bitch.